so much. I knew you were going to be hot, and you were hot. I'm so excited about this call. Because it is amazing, and I'm going to take you off spotlight because I do know that you've got to go. There you go. Perfect. But thank you, Mr. Carruthers, for being here, for pouring into us, right? Guys, you're talking about somebody who has achieved just incredible things in their life that just gave you a nugget, right? To spur you to really look at that next level. I'll tell you, in the Team Pinnacle book this month is How to Your Best Year Ever by Michael Hyatt. And if you're reading that book, which if you're on Team Pinnacle, you should be, and you take those first 6-7 chapters of that book and you combine it with what Mr. Brian Carruthers said today, you are in a completely different place than you will be otherwise. If you haven't read the first 5, 6, 7, 8 chapters of that book yet, I think I'm on chapter 7. This is not my first time reading it, but I'm obviously reading it again. Or if you haven't read that book, add it to your list, because if you combine those 5, 6, 7 chapters of that book with what he just talked about today, you are ready, prepared. Wherever you are right now, you are ready for that next level. And so we're going to close out the call today, but I was talking to someone the other day, and they were worried, right? And they were worried about their kid, and being able to do Christmas and all of that stuff. And they were talking about what they were going to sell, and they were going to do this, and they were going to do that. And then I saw these little memes on social media that were like, they were asking the kids, what did I give you for Christmas last year? What did I give you for the holidays last year? And they're all like sitting there going, I can't remember. And, Mr. Carruthers kicked this off with talking about what are you going to do to get to the breakthrough? And it's like, guys, we will do whatever we need to. We will ask for help. We will ask for donations. We will sell stuff. We will do whatever to give somebody a Christmas present this year. I even talked to somebody the other day who had to go to their family and go, listen, guys, we don't have the money to do it this year. Because she said, listen, we just had too many expenses. I don't have the